Hey guys, welcome back to my hair channel. Yet once again, it's your girl Miss Kiki Style, aka Natural Hair Keep. I'm back with another video. I know that I have talked about oils that help promote hair growth. Well, I have then since added a few more oils that will help your hair grow. Also, Msm Powder, which is the secret to hair growth. So today I wanted to share that with you guys. So this is the oil that I made, you guys, and I made this on last night, so it has been sitting. I will be using this today, okay, and throughout the week. So I wanted to share all of the oils that I use, you guys, in the Msm powder as well. So what I did was, you guys, I added all of these oils and I will be sharing that with you. I also added a bit of this Msm powder, which helps promote hair growth. Now, you can take this internally, or you can make, different types of masks or oils and use for your hair growth, okay? So this is the most important item that we will be talking about for our hair growth, okay? So then I added a little bit of vitamin E, you guys. I added almond oil, okay? And I added a little bit of carrot oil. I also added a little bit of ginger. Now, ginger, I did a little research on ginger and it does not promote hair growth. However, it does help from dry or itchy scalp. Every now and again, you guys, I do have dry scalp, itchy scalp, and that's simply because, when I do my my sew-ins or my braids or things like that, and my hair is up for maybe a couple of days or so, I notice that my hair gets really dry. However, when I use the oil, it definitely helps, with that. So that's good as well. Then I added my black castor oil. You guys know this is the best oil on the market to help promote hair growth, okay? And I added this peppermint oil and this lavender oil. The lavender oil is pretty new, you guys, but it does promote hair growth, which I'm so extremely excited about. And yes, it definitely smells just like lavender. So does this peppermint. I've been trying to find oils that are good for hair growth that actually, smells pretty good, because this peppermint oil, you guys, is really, 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 really loud, okay? I mean, if you oil your scalp before work or before, leaving the house or while running errands or on a date, whatever the case may be, believe me, honey, you will be smelling like peppermint, but this will help stimulate your hair growth, okay? And then also avocado, and lastly, regular castor oil. So guys, when I use this oil, I pretty much just, part my hair, like I'm doing cornrows, or like I'm just doing like little box, like square size parts, if you will. Not too big, because I want to make sure my whole head is filled with the oil. And then what I do once I finish oiling my scalp, I then go down to the ends of my hair, and then I make sure I get my roots and my ends, okay? So I pretty much make sure my hair is covered, and I use this maybe about 2 to 3 times out of the week. I don't want to do it every day, because what I've noticed is that my hair is like really oily and shiny, and I don't want it to be like that. I do want my scalp to be oily again, because like I said, sometimes it is dry. Now, this is a new product that I will be trying, you guys, so y'all stay tuned for that. This is the Virgin Hair Fertilizer. Now, this promotes hair growth, and what's in here is, where did I see that at? Oh, here it is. So the ingredients is herbal extract, petroleum jelly, peppermint oil, which we know for a fact promotes hair growth, okay? And then it says lanolin and a little bit of fragrance. So I have used this the other day, I believe, and I just basically put it on this side right here, where I lost my hair on the side. So I've been using all of these oils. I've also been using the hair dealer, which I told you guys about as well. But we're going to be using this oil. Hopefully you guys can find all of these oils on Amazon. And the ginger, you guys, is pretty much optional. You really don't have to use that. This is something new that I am trying. But as far as all of these oils, these are the oils that you need to grow your hair. And again, y'all know that we're on this hair growth journey together. I can't wait to share my experience with not only the oils, but I've also purchased rose water, the amla, the shikakai, and also the henna. I also purchased more fenugreek seeds, and you guys stay tuned for that, because y'all, if you are a subscriber of mine or if you're new, you guys will be seeing me try to work on clearing my skin, okay? So the fenugreek seed water is supposed to help with that. I actually watched a video on YouTube where one lady lost all of her waist length hair. It was matted up, and she started using the fenugreek seawater as a drink to help clear her skin, and it helped grow her hair. So I will be trying that as well. I will also be recording that so you guys can see the stages with me using that to clear my skin and also grow my hair. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I have more videos on the way. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in my next one.